Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play AUT Roblox. To begin your adventure, first talk to the guide for initial quests, which are crucial for earning you coins and gaining early experience. Next, focus on defeating low-level non-player characters across the map. They drop valuable items. You can then sell these items to the black marketeer to acquire more U coins and U shards. Remember to exchange your U shards at the ability banner for a significant boost in experience points. For faster progression, consider the Boundless Tower game mode, which provides substantial rewards. A core part of AUT is acquiring powerful stands and specs. You can obtain these by finding and using stand arrows or by interacting with meteors that fall across the map. Each stand offers unique abilities, fundamentally shaping your combat approach. The new mastery system allows you to further enhance these powers, unlocking new moves and buffs as you progress. Some stands are rarer, requiring specific quests or item drops. Explore various stands to discover the one that best complements your preferred fighting style. Advancing your character is key to success. Your goal is to level up to the maximum of 200. For player versus environment combat, it is highly recommended to allocate all your stat points into attack for maximum damage output. Once you reach the maximum level, you can ascend your stand or spec, which resets your level but makes your abilities much stronger and grants faster experience gain. Additionally, keep an eye out for traits, which appear every 25 levels and provide unique buffs to your powers. To dominate in AUT, understanding combat is essential. For farming non-player characters, a high attack stat is usually best. However, in player versus player battles, a more balanced stat distribution, including defense and health, can be advantageous. Activating Haki significantly boosts your damage, making it crucial for tough encounters. Mastering blocking and dodging is vital for survival, allowing you to avoid damage and create openings. Learn your stand's unique combos and ultimate moves to unleash powerful attacks and secure victories against your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.